Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and make a poster with Gemini. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch us quick in this video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gemini application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Gemini, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started making posters. But first thing you need to keep in mind is that you need to go ahead and log in to your Google account to be able to use Gemini. So once you've done that and logged in, this is going to be the home page. From here we can get started making a poster. So basically, after uploading any reference photos that you have, you can do so by clicking on the plus button right here at the left side of the screen. That's going to enable you to go ahead and select the photos that you want to use for a poster. So after uploading them, you want to go and type a detailed prompt. So basically, after uploading your ideas, if you have any pictures, you're going to write a detailed prompt, type a clear description of your poster. A good formula is a subject plus a setting plus a style or vibe and the text that you want to include. So basically, example prompt is: create a vintage style travel poster for a coffee shop. Show a warm steaming cup of coffee in the foreground with a misty mountain view. And this is going to enable you to upload that idea. So you're going to click the arrow that appears right here to submit your upload idea, and that Gemini is going to visualize one for you, give it to you and create it, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.